Okay, so we're going to make a Maas salad. It's just plain ordinary Maas, which I've added some cumin powder to. Okay, so I'm just going to like whip it up until it becomes like, you know, it's not lumpy. It's a very, very easy salad to make. Okay, so here I've got 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. You can use any kind of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Okay, and then I've got 1 whole onion sliced, 2 green chili sliced, some mint leaf sliced, and 1 whole cucumber sliced. Okay, so once the Maas is becomes plain, you can add in all your stuff that you've sliced up. Your onion must be finely sliced. And then you just stir it up like this. And then your salt and your sugar together. Just stir it all in together, and then your Maas salad is done. It actually goes very well with biryani, and my kids really love it. Okay, so I've added all the ingredients in together with the sugar and the salt, and I've mixed it up. And this salad goes very well with biryani. You can have it with chicken biryani, mutton lamb biryani like what I'm doing now, and then you can also have it with vegetable biryani. Okay, I'm just busy garnishing my the biryani. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's done. Okay, and then we're going to have it with the Maas salad. Okay, this is what it looks like. I thank you guys for watching my video, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you're actually helping my channel to grow. Please try out my recipe and let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a pleasant day.